Hello students, welcome to our channel. In this video series, we are going to upload Tamil Nadu State Board Syllabus, Class 12, Physics, Unit 2, Current Electricity, 2-3 mark question and answers. Come on, let us see the question and answers. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Question number 1. Current is a scalar quantity. Why? Answer. In order to be a vector, a physical quantity should obey the law of vector addition and should have both magnitude and direction. It means if a physical quantity should be a vector, it should fulfill two things. One is it can be added only through the law of vector addition, and that particular physical quantity should have both magnitude and direction. But in the case of current, though current has both magnitude and direction, it can be added algebraically. So current is a scalar quantity. It's not a vector quantity. So in this case, according to the definition, current has both magnitude and direction. So it can be called as a vector, but it is not a vector. It is said to be a scalar. The reason is it doesn't need the law of vector addition. Instead, it can be added algebraically, as if we add 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, in that manner. So, current is a scalar quantity, it is not a vector quantity. Hope you would have understood this concept. Question number 2. Differentiate drift velocity and mobility. Answer. Drift velocity. First point is, it is the average velocity acquired by the electrons inside the conductor when it is subjected to an electric field. This first point is nothing but the definition of drift velocity. There is a conductor. We all know that inside a conductor electrons are present. When the conductor is placed in an electric field, what happens? The electrons in the conductor acquire some sort of velocity. So the average velocity acquired by the electrons inside the conductor when it is subjected to an electric field, it is known as drift velocity. Whereas what is mobility? It is the magnitude of the drift velocity per unit electric field. Mobility is nothing but the magnitude, or we can say that the amount of drift velocity when it is placed in a unit electric field. When a conductor is placed in a unit electric field, the magnitude of the drift velocity attained by the electrons are called mobility. This is the definition also for mobility. Second point is, it is nothing but the expression for drift velocity. Capital V stands for velocity and the subscript, in other words, which is written as a small letter d, it stands for drift. And moreover, drift velocity is a vector quantity, so the vector symbol is placed above the letter V. So Vd vector is equal to A vector into tau. Here A is nothing but what? Acceleration. And so Vd vector is equal to A vector into tau. This is the expression for drift velocity. Similarly, for mobility, mu is equal to Vd vector divided by capital E. It is nothing but drift velocity divided by electric field. This is the expression for mobility. The third point of difference is unit. We all know that the unit for velocity, which is nothing but meter per second, the same is meant for drift velocity too. And here the unit is meter squared v power minus 1 s power minus 1. This is the unit for what? Mobility. Question number 3. Define current density. Answer. The current per unit area of cross section of the conductor. It means the current which passes per unit area of cross section of the conductor is called current density. So the expression for current density can be written as capital J. This capital J stands for current density, which is equal to current by area. In other words, current by unit area. So capital I stands for current and A stands for area. So what is the unit for current I? Ampere. So capital A is written over here. And what is the unit for area in SI unit? Meter square. So capital A by meter square. In other words, if meter square goes this way, it will become m power minus 2. So the SI unit of current density can also be written as ampere per meter square. So with this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another set of questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.